Racing just is started. We have Granil break quickly at the start. Flyboy moving up on the outside. Southern Burst and on the outside. Glamorous. Then comes Rocking Miss. Gintong Biyaya Royal Pair. Yes. Joey Newsmaker comes next. Shades of Red, Conquista Royal, Maimpok, and then comes Pound for Pound, while Interceptor is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Glamorous takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Southern Burst in second, Rocking Miss. Now moving up to take third, Granil is racing in fourth. Flyboy comes next, the Royal Pair. Yes, Joey comes next, Gintong Biyaya. Next online is Conquista Royal. Then followed over by Maimpok Newsmaker, Shades of Red. Then comes Pound for Pound. While Interceptor still racing in 14th. And at the far turn, now we have bunch of entries. And now fighting out for the lead. Rocking Miss moving up Granil. Then here comes, yes, Joey. Moving up now on the outside as they swing for home. We have Rocking Miss, Granil, yes, Joey's on the outside. We have Rocking Miss, yes, Joey. Granil is down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. We have, yes, Joey, followed now by Rocking Miss in second. And finally, it's going to be, yes, Joey. Rocking Miss Granil, then comes Gintong Biyaya, Royal Pair close, Pound for Pound, and Southern Burst.